What's up, guys? I'm your weatherman Joey Greco with Huskie Weather. Now, spring break's just around the corner. Hey, just a couple more days and we're off free for a week. I know how are we going to keep our minds straight. Now, if you're fortunate enough to be traveling this next couple weeks, this is what you got to be looking for. If you're going to the Caribbean and the Bahamas, daytime highs are going to be around in the high 70s. Now, if you're going to Marco Island, which I know is a pretty popular spot, your daytime highs are going to be in the low 80s. And if you're going East Coast, your daytime highs are going to be in the high 50s. Now, keep in mind, with all these areas, you are surrounded by water, so the specific key to that water, I know going all the way back to freshman year DES, is that water is still pretty cold from the winter, not getting as much sunlight. Those daytime highs will be kept a little bit lower because those cool breezes keep it cool. So if you're fortunate to go to places like Marco Islands, a cool breeze on an 80 degree day will be lovely compared to what we're having now. Now, will it snow this week? Look at all this. It's actually some rain. I know we're almost 2 weeks, going on 2 weeks of some rain here. Good chance Thursday. Now, it could start around midnight Thursday and continue out until midnight Friday. It's not saying it will snow the entire period, but there's a good chance that it might. It's saying a bulk of it will be between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. About a half inch could occur within that period. So we're looking at about a half an inch to a total of an inch Thursday. So bring your rain boots. I know it's way better than some snow boots, right? So as we look at the first half of this week, there's a high-pressure system just off to our west, and that's sandwiched by a low. Or a low is sandwiched by two highs, I should say. Now, as the jet stream pulls, as the high-pressure system moves in, it's pulling down that colder air. So that's what's keeping us colder the first half of the week, but I'll get to that in just a second. As we get to the second half of this week, that high moves out that we just had, and that low-pressure system takes its place. And with a low-pressure system, that's actually bringing up warmer temps, and that's also bringing moisture with it, which will bring our rain on Thursday. And I'll get to that just this next slide. So as you see, as I was just talking about, we are getting a little bit warmer temps as that low-pressure system moves in and brings up that warmer air. But one thing to keep in mind that we're actually below average. Average around this time of year is about 50 degrees. So moving on to our Husky 5-day forecast. Tuesday, we're looking at a high of 30, mostly cloudy and a low of 14. Getting into Wednesday, cloudiness starts to go away just a little bit, high of 38 and low of 33. Then Thursday, like I said, about a half inch to an inch of rain, high of 48, low of 36. Those warmer temperatures do come, though, which is kind of nice, higher 40s. Friday, we're looking at a high of 47, low of 29 as that high-pressure system starts to take its place. And then Saturday, we get into a high of 47, low of 32. So that was your Husky 5-day forecast, guys. Thanks for tuning in.